Thanks for reaching out to ALC-TECH Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. Here's a simple demo to help you quickly set up and start using your Zenius 2 printer. Lift the top cover gentle to access the internal compartment. Then insert the ribbon cartridge into the printer and ensure it is seated correctly. Close the cover firmly until you hear a clicking sound. Place blank cards into the input hopper. And close the printer cover firmly until it clicks. Next, plug in the power adapter and connect the USB cable to computer. Press the power button and wait until the status light is ready. Don't forget to download and install the Zenius 2 driver to start printing from your PC. Search https://start.evolis.com/Zenius2. To install the driver, click Windows, Evolis Premium Suite 2. Click Finish to complete the setup. You're all set, your driver is now installed, and you can start printing your cards right away. Now, let's take your card printing to the next level with AGen software. It helps you create, manage, and automate ID card printing, turning your setup into a complete smart card printing solution. Since AGen is a customized system that comes as part of a complete solution package, you can visit our website at www.alc-TECH.com and contact us via WhatsApp to get your access. Once you've received your access, sign in to register, launch the AGen software on your computer, and select the ID card module. And that's how easy it is to set up and start printing with your Evolis Zenius ID card printer using AGen software. Hope this guide helps you get started smoothly. Thanks for watching.